everybody, it's Wendy, and today we are going to unbox the Curated bead box for the month of July. But first of all, our encouraging word for today is a quote by Thomas Jefferson, and it is, "Honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom." That's a good one. The Bible talks a lot about wisdom in the book of Proverbs, and I have a feeling that Thomas Jefferson probably read Proverbs. Okay, so here we have it. This is Curated bead box for the month of July, and it is Coral Reef. And here are the item numbers if you would like to screenshot that. There it is. You can go on their website and order these things individually if you want to. But let's get right into it. Now, I've had several people comment on my channel that they don't receive the same things that I receive in the box. And I'm not sure how that works. So, you know, all I can say is that you would need to email the company and ask maybe what's going on. I don't really know. All I know is what they send me. And, yeah, I have no idea why you would not receive. I do know that it says on here, bead sizes and types may vary due to availability. So, you know, I don't know. But if you're not getting what I'm getting, then I would definitely email them and just ask, okay? So, first of all, we have 10mm soft turquoise jade style glass beads. That's these. This is an 8-inch strand. And Curated bead box, just so you know, it's $20 a month. It's shipped straight to your door. These are mainly glass, and sometimes they have a strand of gemstones in here, but it's mainly glass beads. It's a great stash builder, and I love this box because you get a findings pack and you get beads in many different sizes, and their glass beads are beautiful. Look at these. I mean, these are pretty beads. So, you know, I think it's a great box. It's one of my favorites. And I'll show you that findings pack here in a minute. And then we have 10mm aqua waves jade style glass beads on an 8-inch strand. I think that must be this. Aqua waves jade style glass bead. Yeah, these are very pretty too. It's the same thing, just in a green. And so this is an 8-inch strand. It says this is an 8-inch strand, but it's a little bit longer. So, you know, mine are varying a little bit too. So let's see what we got here, just for the people that have commented for this. So this one is definitely an 8-inch strand. This one is a 7-inch, or little over 7-inch. So, you know, that's not a full 8-inch strand either. I don't really understand how they do it, but all I can show you is what I get. So then we have 8mm crisp blue glass pearl bead. That's this, and this is a 16-inch strand. Now these are gorgeous. I love this color. Look at that. Look how pretty those are. So I've got stuff all over me. I'm eating fruit and dip. My mom makes this fantastic fruit dip, and I got her recipe and made it the other day, and so yeah, that's what I have here beside me. It's delicious. Okay, but I'm messy, so it's all over me. Let's see how this strand measures out. Okay, so it's definitely a 16-inch strand, okay, and that is these beautiful blue glass pearls. Those are really pretty. Then we have 8mm burnt orange jade style glass bead. I believe that would be this. Burnt orange. This one is a 16-inch strand as well. And so for the jade style, it's just kind of an imitation jade, and they do really resemble jade. A lot of them do. And so this is a 16-inch strand also. An 8mm apple green gold drizzled glass bead. I think that's these, and these are really cool. So as you can see, they have this like drizzly type thing on them. Apple green gold drizzled. Those are really pretty. I like them. And this is a 10.5-inch strand. And mine measures 11, so I got a little more than 10.5, so you know, that's nice. So there they are. These do look very coral reefy. They're pretty. 6mm bronze glass pearl on a 16-inch strand. These are the only other pearls I see, so these must be the bronze ones. They look orange to me. They don't really look bronze, but that's okay. So 16-inch strand for these. And yes, it looks like it probably is. Yeah, it's more than a 16-inch strand. It's 8.5 inches per side. So we got about a 17-inch strand there. So some are, you know, one was a little less, but several are more than what they said. Then we have 6mm pale salmon jade style glass bead. That's these. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at the color of these. I like that a lot. Definitely pale salmon. And it says these are a 16-inch strand as well. So let's see here. I mean, they all look to me like they're pretty much what they say. Yeah, so those are a little bit less, like 7.5 inches per side, but, you know, very close. So these look so pretty together. Then we have 6mm citrine jade style glass bead. I'm assuming that's this one. Okay, it's pretty. And this is a 16-inch strand as well. And I'm not going to measure all the rest of these because I think you know, they're pretty close to what they say. Mine are at least, so I don't know. If you're having an issue, you might need to let them know. But and then 8mm olivine gemstone style glass bead. So the only thing I look like that is olivine, I think I've messed something up because, it says, oh, I don't know. Maybe not. Okay. Well, this looks like olivine, but this is 6mm. It's not an 8mm. But it does, it's like the only, or olive. It's the only olive thing that I see. So it's got to be this. Okay. Very pretty. All right. And then 12mm carnelian gemstone bead. I think that's these. But then I've missed something. I have this strand here. Okay. So we've got our 10mm soft turquoise. That's definitely that. Then we've got our aqua waves. That's that, 10mm. 8mm crisp blue pearls. 8mm burnt orange. Oh, okay. That's where we messed up. That was this one. Burnt orange. Okay, so we've got the 8mm burnt orange jade style glass bead, and then I missed this one, 8mm burnt orange / blue duo style glass bead. Okay, these are really pretty. I love these duo style beads. They're kind of like marbled, and I love them. They're beautiful. So that goes here. I'm sorry, I missed that one. That was my fault. And then we had the 8mm apple green drizzle. We had the 6mm bronze pearls. Then 6mm pale salmon, 6mm citrine, and then the olive. So these on mine are 6mm, but it says 8mm on the thing. And that's what happens sometimes. It says they're subject to availability. So they must have run out of the 8mm, so I got a 6mm, and that's fine. And then we have the 12mm carnelian gemstone bead, 10 beads. Okay, here we go. So this is a gemstone. This is carnelian. These are very pretty. Whoops, look at this one. Really cool pattern in there. So, like I said, you do get sometimes a gemstone with these, and I like these a lot. They're kind of like a rondelle almost. They're kind of flattish, like, sort of. Really cool. Okay. And then we have a 58 by 40mm turtle silver metal pendant. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. The hole is right there through his neck. That is a very cool pendant. Look at that. Pretty. I really like that. Then we have polyester turquoise tassel. 5 tassels. And it says you can cut them to the desired length. Okay, well that's nice. Ooh, these are pretty color. So you could do earrings. You could cut them shorter for a little pair of earrings. You could even, if you wanted to make a really thick tassel, you could hang some of these together and use like a tassel if you have a cone or something. But those are really pretty. I like those a lot. And this color scheme, I've got to say, I'm loving the color scheme. Okay, and then you get the findings pack. So you get all this, and then you get this findings pack. And I look forward to this every month. So they have memory wire in here. They have fishhook ear wires, bead stringing wire, crimp beads, jump rings, head pins, lobster clasps, and some stretch cord. So all of this for $20 a month. I think this is a fantastic value for this box. It is definitely one of the best subscription values out there, I think. And again, a great stash builder. This is great for people who are already experienced at jewelry making, because you get everything you need here. I mean, and you get a replenish of these kind of things. And it's great for beginners because, again, you get all your stuff to make something with, plus all this big variety of beads. And this, I love this metal pendant, the tassels. So what a great value. I have to say, I love Curated Bead Box. I really do. And so that's it. That's Curated Bead Box Coral Reef for July. And I do have a coupon code. If you want to subscribe to this box, you can get 35% off of your first box. I believe makes it $13. So that is a great deal. I have a little cheat sheet here. Well, apparently I've lost my cheat sheet, which is bad. Cheat sheets are meant to be helpful, not lost, but oh no, there it is. Okay. I'm so organized, you guys. I'm so professional. Anyway, it is $20 shipped, and it is, yes, 35% off your first box, which would make it $13. So check it out, Curated Bead Box. I will have a link in the description box below this video, and you guys have a great rest of the day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.